We just went out for a little ride in our V8 powered 944. It still runs great. Haven't done anything to it. I did get the headlights from only944.com and the plug for the rear windshield wiper, but haven't had a chance to really do anything yet. I mean, they came like 2 weeks ago. I haven't even. This is the first time I actually started the car in probably 3 weeks. So yeah, I figured I'd fire it up, and we just went out for a ride for about 20 minutes and came back. It's been raining and pretty cold every weekend, so wasn't really much incentive to go play with it. Had some other things I had to work on first, but and the intake pipe to relocate the throttle body and the air filter is, I didn't realize it at the time when I got it, but you know, Renegade hybrid parts are, you know, the conversion parts are made to order, and this is off of a 996 to LSV8 conversion, so it's about 4 weeks to make it and everything, and then ship it. So might have it this coming week sometime. Other than that, I mean, it still runs great. It's still filthy dirty. It still handles great and stops great.